Open the app and tap Start. You will be taken to the My MedL webpage. If you already have a My MedL account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, tap Sign Up at the bottom. Fill out the form to sign up. Look over the main account policy. If you agree with the policy and want to proceed with setting up a My MedL account, select Register. Now, you can use your credentials to log in. Look over the other policies. Check the boxes to confirm if you agree with them. Then tap Save. Type in your name, select your country, and tap Save.